Your social media is not your own. Social media platforms and social media pages and accounts can be taken away from you at any time. So the only way to truly secure and make sure that you have a lifeline and contact and way to access your clients is by creating an email list. Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I'm a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you love. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Welcome to this week's episode of the Elevate podcast. I'm going to give you some tangible tips on how to market your business utilizing something other than social media. So I hear all of the time from my salon owners that social media is the biggest struggle inside of their business. Their team doesn't want to do social media. It's overwhelming. I can honestly tell you that social media is a very important part of the way that a client actually chooses a stylist, and it is an essential part of the client funnel. So utilizing social media for business growth, especially as a stylist, I honestly think is a non-negotiable. If you're a stylist and you're listening to today's podcast, if you are not doing social media, I truly believe that is going to take you twice as long to grow your business compared to somebody who is really dedicated and committed to putting out regular content. Now, do I think that clients are necessarily consuming social media in the way that they used to? No. But are clients utilizing social media to do their research when picking a new stylist? Yes, absolutely. So as a salon owner, we really do need to coach our team on utilizing and really creating authentic and showcasing who your team is to really attract the right client for them. Now, if this is something that's difficult for you, we do have social media resources, copy and paste templates, we have captions, we have Reels for stylists on Instagram, which is a support to actually give your stylist ideas to start creating content on their own, and that can be accessed through the Elevated Salon Owners Collective. So if you have not gotten information on that, you can visit opulentbeautypro.com and find out more resources to simplify your life as a salon owner. But in today's episode, we're going to focus on the things that you can do to start generating some traction and getting clients into your business other than utilizing the social media platforms that are ready and available for you to use on a regular basis. So first and foremost, I want to remind each and every person listening to today's podcast that your social media is not your own. Social media platforms and social media pages and accounts can be taken away from you at any time. So the only way to truly secure and make sure that you have a lifeline and contact and way to access your clients is by creating an email list. If you are a salon owner or even a stylist or a suite owner and you do not have an email list, this is something that you need to start doing today. And my suggestion and my first suggestion to you for marketing outside of social media is utilizing email to build newsletters and to build trust and to communicate and add value to your clients' lives. Now, I always say you want to treat an email like a phone call. We never would just randomly pick up the phone and just call people out of nowhere to not really share important information. So email marketing should really be used to build connection, build trust, inform our clients of what's happening inside of our salon. And this isn't just supposed to be used for price increases. This needs to be used to give our clients information that will, again, add value to everyday life. I know when I wake up in the morning, the first thing that I do is check my emails. That is the number one thing. Then I go into other platforms where I have messages to answer. But email is usually the first thing that most people check when they wake up in the morning. So how can you make your email marketing exciting and entertaining? And what can you share with your clients to really, give them tips and tricks on how to style their hair, things that they need to know about taking care of their hair, updates on your salon or updates on your life. People want to know what's happening. These are the things that are going to really improve and really create an amazing open rate. The better your open rate is, the better your marketing will do, right? So if this is something that you struggle with in the Elevated Salon Owners Collective, we do supply you with a ton of email templates to get you started. But you just have to get started. So I highly recommend really doing some research, sending out surveys to see where your clients are struggling, what your clients want to learn about, information your clients are interested in reading about. And that is where you should start building your content and your email marketing around. Now, email marketing is free, which is incredible. I mean, obviously you have to use a platform to send out your emails, but most of your booking systems will have something available for a small monthly fee to really help you with your email marketing. You can use something like Flowdesk. We personally use Kajabi to send out all emails. If you are not using Kajabi in your salon, I highly recommend this platform. It literally does everything for you. You can keep track of your stylist coaching. You can host your website. You can have courses for your team, or even for clients, you can use their email marketing. They have a podcast option. Kajabi is one of my favorite platforms for my salon, for my education. I love, love, love it. Now, this next thing that I'm going to share with you is not free. It is direct mail, and it's something that definitely isn't utilized very often. You do have to pay for postage. Postage is not cheap. But I will say that I think direct mailers are great if you want to bring awareness to the surrounding areas of you and your business, and even to, really get in touch with your clients with things that are happening inside of the salon. So you can actually look and purchase a surrounding list of addresses in your area, and you can send out postcards with information about your business. You can also send things out to your clients that add value, like birthday cards or anniversary cards, or just information about your business. What we used to do at my salon is we would put together little boxes. They're little care kits for our clients. And in the care kits would be things that would help our clients prep for their appointment. So if they needed to detox their hair, it would be a little detox mini, or maybe like a Malibu treatment, or maybe it would be an at-home treatment that they could use to refresh their blonde hair. And this would be a little thank you for coming into the salon. We have printed boxes that are so tiny and so cute, but it is a pleasant surprise when the client would receive our little package, and it just reminds them that we are invested in their hair and invested in their experience. And it really is a reminder to get back into the salon and to get their hair done. You can do a little personalized note as a salon owner and thank the people coming into your business. There's a lot of opportunity here to, again, create connection, to bring people back into your salon and create that connection while they are in between appointments. You can simply use a subscription like mail.com, and we have a postage printer at our salon. We literally print out labels and send things out to clients all the time. Now, one thing with this is you do have to collect addresses, but I can honestly tell you, if you send out, again, another survey and say we're going to be sending out random gifts and different things to show appreciation to our clients, 9 times out of 10, people are willing to share their mailing address, and that is what we did at our salon. Now, another thing that we utilize inside of our business is blogging. And I love hosting the blog on our website and then sharing that to social media platforms. This is going to do a couple things for you. One, it's going to add value to your clients because we always share information that can benefit them to care for their hair. Two, it is going to help you utilize your product affiliate links to hopefully gain traction and sales, to sell products online. If you aren't using affiliate links, I highly recommend using Salon Interactive, and it allows you to host so many different products that you can sell online that is literally hands off for you when actually selling the products to your clients. It's completely handled by the distributor. They wrap it up, ship it out for you, and you simply are granted with a small commission. Highly, highly recommend. And then, of course, when people are going back to your website to read the blog, it will boost your SEO, which will elevate your ranking on Google. So when people Google salons in your area, then you will be higher ranked in Google, which is amazing for you and for your business. Now, another thing that you can do is really dive into what makes your salon different. Do you specialize in hair loss solutions? Do you specialize in clean beauty? Getting in contact with your local media and your local press and really share what your business does different and how you change lives inside of your business. And 9 times out of 10, they will come out and do a story on you if it is relevant or if it is unique enough to actually share with the public. I think another great option is event marketing. Hosting or participating in local events, workshops, or trade shows to really get in touch and be a part of your community. And this can help you network with potential customers, and it can help you talk about services and bring brand awareness. I think getting involved with your local women's group is something that is also very powerful for your business. What are the local women's group in your community that you can really start participating in to meet new people and to really start connecting with women in your area? Another thing that you can do is become involved in your community. Can you sponsor local events, sports teams, charities? Can you start building relationships in that way inside of your community? I also believe that the best way to build trust and to build brand awareness is through customer testimonials. Sharing customer testimonials and reviews on your website, in your store, on promotional materials, on social media, if that's like the bare minimum that you can do, I highly, highly recommend that. Creating a really solid loyalty program is something else that can be really powerful for your business. When you create a loyalty program that rewards repeat customers, it encourages them to continue to do business with you and your company. So that's something else that you can really start to think about. Do you have a loyalty program? Do you have a referral program? Referral programs are really, really popular. And it can be as simple as sending somebody a $5 Starbucks gift card via email when they send you a new client. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but rewarding people for recommending your business is going to be a powerful way to get that repeat behavior and to, of course, just show appreciation for somebody being your biggest cheerleader. And last but not least, I highly recommend joining your Chamber of Commerce, and not just your Chamber of Commerce, but what are the local areas and the other Chamber of Commerce in other cities that are near you that you can research and you can join as well, because not all Chamber of Commerce are created equal. Some are better than others. Like, I know my Chamber of Commerce is really not great in my area. It's a lot of elderly people, definitely not my target market, and the events just aren't really that great. So what are the surrounding areas that you can look at, and can you join their Chamber of Commerce too? You don't have to just join the one that is provided or created inside of the town that your business is in. Okay, so these are my suggestions to really start promoting your business in a way that is something other than social media. I also think this is why it's so important for salon owners to not get stuck behind the chair, because these are the things that we should be focusing on to draw clients into our business. Focusing on marketing, focusing on business growth are the way that you're going to catapult your revenue and really start creating that connection in your community so people are aware of your brand, aware of your business, and want to come in and receive services from you. I hope this week's episode was beneficial and you can take some of these things and start implementing them immediately. Thank you for listening to this week's Elevate podcast. If you love the podcast, make sure that you subscribe and leave us a raving review.